head looks crazy right now. It's all good though. I'm about to look real cute in a minute. Just wait. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been gone, but I am back now. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do finger coils in your hair. My hair, I just got out the shower right now. It's freshly washed, and I'm going to show you step by step how I do this. So first I start off by sectioning my hair. I could have done a better job, but this will have to do. Next, I spray my hair with water just to get my hair kind of damp. After I do that, I just put products in my hair. I will link them down below in the description box. Top of my head looks crazy right now. It's all good though. I'm about to look real cute in a minute. Just wait. So first I section a piece of my hair, and basically I'm just twisting and twirling this. That's kind of my method. And after that, it just starts to form a curl. So this is how the first one looks, and as it starts to dry, it gets curlier over time. So I'm just going to be doing this all throughout my hair, section by section. I just keep twisting and twirling my hair until it forms the curl that I want. And if you want to finger coil your hair in smaller sections, you definitely can. As you can see, I'm kind of lazy, so I'm just doing it in medium sections for now. As you can see, this is what we're working with right now. This is totally a lazy girl finger coil, because I could have separated the pieces much better, but I don't got time for all that, to be honest. But so almost done. How was school? When you got home? I'm here, but I'm gonna finish my video, okay? And I'll see you in a little bit, okay? Now I'm just gonna wait for my hair to dry, and then I'm gonna take these finger coils out. Now I'm just gonna put some oil on my fingertips so I can separate my curls without them getting frizzy. These are my results after taking out the finger coils. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.